Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center is one of the best choices for infusion and wellness services in Lighthouse Point because we focus on personalized care, safety, and effective results. At Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center, Lighthouse Point, Florida, we are committed to delivering high-quality therapy guided by experienced medical professionals, licensed physicians, and attentive doctor oversight. Are you looking for a therapy service near me? You can stop looking. You found Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center. What is infusion therapy and how does it work? Infusion therapy is a safe and effective way to deliver essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and medications directly into the bloodstream through and for, allowing for faster absorption and more immediate benefits than oral supplements. At Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center, we provide personalized therapy designed to support wellness, recovery, and overall health. Are infusion therapy treatments covered by insurance? Insurance coverage for therapy can vary depending on the type of treatment, the patient's health plan, and whether the infusion is deemed medically necessary. At Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center, we strive to help our patients navigate insurance questions and provide guidance on which services may be covered. What is your service area? Our Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center serve the following Florida locations: Coconut Creek, Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale, Dania Beach, Pompano Beach, North Lauderdale, Parkland, Lauderhill, Wilton Manors, Tamarac, Watergate, Hillsboro Pines, Sandalfoot Cove, Boca Raton, Sunrise, Deerfield Beach, Mission Bay, Sea Ranch Lakes, Lighthouse Point, Florida. Where is your Rebuild Therapy Infusion Center office located? We are located at 3320 North Federal Highway number 102, Lighthouse Point, Florida 33064, United States. Our phone number is 754-339-0682. Visit our website, https://rebuildivtherapy.com/.